Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be baking some Christmas treats for you guys. I thought it would be interesting just to kind of switch it up and bake. I'm not much of a baker, so I'm going to try my best to make these treats. I have 3 recipes for you guys and they're pretty simple and easy. I also found 2 of these recipes off of TikTok and just 1 off the internet. But I'm posting this video on Wednesday. I usually post on Fridays. Christmas is Friday this year and I thought it would make more sense for me to post Wednesday so that if you guys wanted to make some of these treats yourself, you could for Christmas. So if you're interested in what I'm baking today, keep watching. So these are all the ingredients I used to create the recipes. Now I did take out 1 recipe, so I won't be using the frosted flakes or anything, but these are all the ingredients you will need, including the cookie sheets and everything. So here's the first recipe that I made. I started off with the easiest one, but the list of ingredients are there on the screen, and it was pretty simple to make. Now I do recommend spraying your pan just to keep everything from sticking. It's just really helpful. Now I'm going to start placing my pretzels on my cookie sheet. I just baked 12 pretzels myself because it just filled the entire sheet up, but you can bake however many you want. So you're going to take your Hershey Kisses bag and cut them open, and you're going to place the kisses on each one of the pretzels. This is just going to give a chocolate flavor and a salty flavor with the mixture of the kisses and the pretzels. So now that we have all the kisses on the pretzels, you're ready to put them in the oven, and you just want to put it on 275 for 4 minutes. So I thought I would show you guys how cute my oven mitt is because y'all know I love everything Christmas related, so I had to buy this. So it's been 4 minutes and I'm taking the pretzels out the oven. So this is the part where we're going to put the red and green M&Ms on top of the Hershey Kisses. All you need to do is just put a little bit of pressure and just push it onto the chocolate. I would definitely try to even out the red and green colors. You don't want to put just one color on the chocolate. You want to just make it even. So once you're finished with that, you just want to let them cool and you're all done. I also recommend that they have peppermint Hershey Kisses. I couldn't find them in the store, but if you try the peppermint Hershey Kisses, it will look a lot more like Christmas. So for my second treat that I baked, you'll need everything that I listed on the screen. This one was a little bit more difficult than the first, but not too bad. Depending on the brownie mix that you purchased, on the back they'll explain to you how many of each ingredient that you need, but you'll definitely need to add 1 egg, some vegetable oil, and probably some water all in a bowl. And you'll just mix it all together and just make sure that your measurements are pretty much accurate and make sure that everything is just mixed completely together. So after you have mixed everything together, you're going to take your pan and just transfer that over into the pan, all of the mix, and just evenly spread it. You also want to have your oven preheated to 350. So now you just want to place your pan into the middle rack on the oven for about 22 to 25 minutes. For the last recipe, here are the list of things you'll need on the screen. This one is also pretty simple. However, you need to make sure you're baking your cookie dough long enough. You want to start by placing the cookie dough into each section. You also want to make sure that the cookie dough is filling the entire area. And to ensure that this happens, you'll just shape it with your hands once you get done putting the cookie dough in all of the little sections, just to make sure that it's shaped correctly. Alright, so now we're going to put them in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. My brownie is still in there cooking as well. Okay guys, so I'm letting the cookies and the brownie cook for The brownies have another, it says 11 minutes, and then the cookies have like 12 to 13 minutes ish. So I'm gonna take those out when they're done. I already finished my first Christmas treat, so when everything's finished and done, I'll kind of just lay it for display and let you guys see how it looks. So once you have taken your brownie out the oven, you're just going to start cutting it into rectangular and triangle shapes. So now here is the fun part where we're decorating our reindeers, and all you need to do is put your red M&Ms for the nose. And then you're going to take your icing to form the eyes. And then you'll place the brown M&Ms over the white icing. Just want to take your time with it, don't rush, because you don't want it to end up sloppy. But if you do mess up, you can easily clean it up with a paper towel. Now it's time to place on the antlers or the pretzels. So you're just going to put icing down to kind of hold the pretzels in place, and just place the pretzels accordingly. So now back to the cookies. All you're going to do is take a spoon and kind of press inward to create sort of some space for the ice cream. So once you have put your ice cream inside the cookie, you're going to take the chocolate syrup and put as much as you want on there, and then place your red and green M&Ms on top. This treat was definitely one of my favorites because who doesn't like the ice cream and cookie combo, especially with the chocolate syrup added. So this was the finished product. The third cookie looks kind of iffy, but it was still good. So that was all the treats I baked today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really simple and easy treats. Didn't want to find anything that was too difficult to make because, like I said, I'm not much of a baker myself, so I didn't want it to be too difficult. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also, I hope you guys have a really good Christmas and a happy holidays.